If you want to check the activation date on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the first thing that you can do is you can open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to find Battery option. We want to go ahead and open this. And then in Battery, we have the battery info, and you should be able to find the date of first use, which is pretty much the activation date. What you can also do is you can go to Google option, which is here at the top. Once you open Google Services, you can tap on your Google account, and then we can go to Manage your Google account over here. And then we're going to go to Security and Sign In. And then we're going to scroll down, and we need to find Sessions on Android devices. There we go. After that, you should be able to find your current session. Now, I assume that you do that on your Motorola, so it should be the current session. We can, of course, provide the screen lock password or use the fingerprint. Now here, I also have to verify myself. And there we go. Here you should be able to find the first sign-in date, which is, of course, relevant as long as you used the same Google account when you got your phone for the first time. In case you used a different account, you can, of course, still change it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.